Our brotherhood is etched in stone. This unbeaten path we walk is never alone. And through the trails of terror, there is no obstacle we won't fear, because we are unbroken. Unbroken. I would die for you, and you would give your life for me. The very sense of being free. Can we revisit the times of past, as if I wish they would never fade and always last? For no demon real or in mind could ever challenge the courage of brotherhood, tested in time. So may we walk in the memory of those who forever hold the burden of our freedoms. And I promise to never let your memory die, because I'm free in it. And you are always with me, and never forgotten.
All right. Sergeant First Class Louis Gutierrez, Platoon Sergeant. Specialist Zachary Klauser, Driver. 1st Platoon, Alpha Company, 126 Infantry Blue Spaders. KIA, Adamia, Iraq, July 18th, 2007. They were my friends. They were my warrior brothers. Most importantly, they were my family.
Bristow May, Headquarters Company, 2nd Battalion, 75th Ranger Regiment. Killed on his 14th combat deployment just outside Kandahar, Afghanistan. Chris was my JTAC, my FO, my neighbor, and one of my best buddies.
Staff Sergeant Juan Campos, 1st Battalion, 26th Infantry, Adamia, Iraq. He was my mentor.
Sergeant Matthew T. Abate, killed in action December 2nd, 2010 in the Sangin Valley of the Helmand Province. Fellow Scout Sniper, brother, friend, and never forgot.
Justin Gallegos, 3rd Squadron, 61st Cavalry Regiment, 4th ID, killed in action, Cop Keating, Afghanistan. Justin was my first team leader. He's my brother, and he's family.
Sergeant Bill Kerr, 1st Battalion, 5th Marines, Helmand Province, Afghanistan, August 13, 2009. He was a mentor and brought humanity to a deployment where we needed it most.
Ricardo Barraza, Dale Brem, 75th Ranger Regiment, 2nd Ranger Battalion, killed in action in Ramadi, Iraq. They're my mentors and my team leader and squad leader.
Sergeant Patrick Hawkins, 3rd Ranger Battalion, KIA, 5 October 2013 in Kandahar, Afghanistan. To be honest, I'm incredibly lucky to have spent the time that I had with him.
Staff Sergeant Jeffrey Loa, August 16th, 2006, Alpha Company, 135 Armor, 2nd Battalion, 1st Armored Division, Ramadi, Iraq, friend.
Sergeant First Class Michael Goebel, 7th Special Forces Group, Operation Enduring Freedom. Will incredibly be missed for the rest of my life.
Ryan Sparks, 1st Squadron, 91st Cavalry Regiment, 173rd Airborne Brigade Combat Team. He died in Pali Alam, Afghanistan, RC East.
Kyle Wayne Burns, Charlie Company, 1st LAR, Fallujah, Iraq, friend.
Lance Corporal Sean P. Hefner, 2nd A Battalion Delta Company, Helmand Province, Afghanistan. He was my brother.
Kyle Milliken, 5 May 2017, Naval Special Warfare Development Group, Somalia, Africa, former team leader.
Dave McDowell, Charlie Company, 2nd Battalion, 75th Ranger Regiment. Killed on his 7th combat deployment just outside Bastion, Afghanistan. Dave was my best Ranger buddy and just best friend for over 10 years.
Sergeant Major Christopher Adam Nelms. He was my friend, he's my mentor, and he's the finest Green Beret I've ever known.
Senior Airman Brad Smith, United States Air Force, killed in action January 3rd, 2010, never forgotten.
This is Glenn Doherty. He died on September 12th, 2012 in Benghazi, Libya. He worked for the CIA, and he was my friend.